Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to renew your green card in Florida. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so step one here, check if you need to renew. So if your green card is about to expire within the next 6 months or has already expired, you should renew it. If you have a 2-year conditional green card, you need to remove the conditions instead of renewing. If your card is lost, stolen, or damaged, you also need to apply for a replacement. Step 2, fill out Form I-90. So you can complete Form I-90 online by creating an account with the Immigration Service website or download the form, fill out by hand and mail it in. Step 3, pay the fee. So the total fee at the time of recording is $540, which covers the application and biometric services. You can pay online with a credit, debit card, or include a check or money order if filing by mail. Step 4, prepare and submit required documents. So a copy of your current or expired green card, a government issued photo ID such as driver's license or passport, 2 passport style photos, and any legal documents related to name changes if applicable. Then send your application. So mail your completed form and documents to the proper mailing address. Check the official instructions for the correct address. If applying online, submit everything through your account. Then from there, attend your biometrics appointment. So after submitting, you'll receive a notice to attend an appointment where your fingerprints, photo, and signature will be taken. Then from here, just simply wait for processing. So renewal can take several months, usually 6 to 12 months. Once filed, your current card's validity will be automatically extended for up to 36 months while your renewal is processed. Now I've jotted down some additional tips here. So keep copies of everything you send. Track your application status online if you applied electronically. Then contact an immigration attorney for help if you have questions or complications in this process.